Yeah. I go in the back. Put this leg inside my seatbelt onto that stirrup. Your seatbelt's to that side. And if you can leave this leg right outside until I get in, put my seatbelt on, and just before I shut the door, I'll get your leg in.
Maximum tilt.
Okay, we'll do that roundabout. When you beep, you get 30 degrees. You get lots of beeps and some red lights up at the top here. We're doing the full tilt.
So what is full tilt?
So 45 degrees. So you'll see 4 red lights on there as we're going round. Is the green one at the moment? Couple of green ones?
Oh yeah.
So that's tilt. On the prototypes, they built them at the bottom, but then they found that people were just trying to watch them and drive like that. The whirring you can hear is the hydraulic pressure just building back up after we've used it. And if you hear a rattle, it's the bells in the bear on the back and not the car.
For this to roll?
The only person that's rolled one that I'm aware of is a journalist on the Nürburgring, and when he started losing a bit of front end grip, rather than just letting it come back up to itself in the middle, he tried doing opposite block steering, so that flipped it. Yeah. That's the only one I'm aware of that's ever had an incident like that.
So how long have you had this for?
17 years from new.
Wow.
Love it if a jammer drive it. It's just all based on steering input. We'll turn it a little, we only tilt a little bit. Turn it harder and faster, tilt more.
Roller coaster for the road.
It sort of is, and it's all said with some of the marketing material, fly the road type things, and it's, yeah. It's not a bike, it's not a car, it's not a plane, it's something of all those things mixed together.
So can you, so is this on a bike license?
No, unfortunately UK they did it on a car license. Some of the owners in the continent can do it on a bike license. And I think in the Middle East it's a bike license, but UK, no, it's a car license. It's got reverse gear, pedals and steering wheel. Full 45 gear around there. Got all 4 rigs on. Minutes an hour and stuff. Usually during the days, sort of thing, not so bad once it gets to rush hour, it gets silly. The thing is, you can just have more fun on these roads, you can just easily go like this. I fell asleep once in the back when the wife was driving. She was talking to me. We went in a lot of country lanes and I just fell asleep. Almost being rocked to sleep.
So how close does it lean to what you'd see some guy on a superbike doing, like in the TT? And
so they get down a little bit further, some of those professional bikers, but certainly speaking to other bikers that are just sort of normal bikers, they say you lean a lot more. We get down to 45s. Yeah, they get even lower when they're doing proper TT and stuff like that. Dream rides before? Or?
Oh yeah, I go most years. NEC, Camberley.
Yeah, we did do NEC this year. A couple of years ago, the March NEC we did. they were as much fun as these. They were slower, until a completely different mechanism.
I can well imagine. And the MPG?
About 45.
That's not too bad.
It's not bad at all. For the sort of fun you have and things.
So what engine has it got in it?
It's a Daihatsu. They have a car called a Copen, and it's from that. It's a 660cc 4-cylinder turbo.
This is the kind of thing I can see people tuning up.
Yeah. Somebody's put a Hayabusa engine in one of these, but it's too fast. It wheelies, so you can't get feedback.
So it lifts. So the funnel just lifts.
It just lifts and it doesn't tilt. So they're trying to work on detuning it a bit, so it actually can be used. But they're not upgraded the brakes on it, so I think it's silly if anybody uses it without doing something with the brakes as well. And that sort of performance. Sometimes get people laughing at you and then they see it and they're like, whoa!
I like that. Yay!
We've had it so many years, there's still people by our house still saying, oh, what's that? And things. It's like, how can you not seen this in 17 years? Hopefully you enjoyed your ride in a very different and unique vehicle.
That was brilliant. I mean, probably one of the most unique vehicles I've been in thus far.
Because there's nothing else like it, you see.
No.
Some are fast, some are different, but this is just totally wacky and different. Where you go in. Maybe a drift car, but you still got to watch when you're coming out.